ordered this computer desk off of eBay. We're gonna put it together real quick. So this box is about 33 pounds, so pretty much that's how much it's gonna weigh once we put it together. Tools required look like a fill-up or something. Say 30 minutes. Alright, so for step one, these is the parts they're talking about. There's only 4 in the bag. If you look close on that, they want you to go in this hole, and on this one, they want you to go in that hole. So we're gonna put those in real quick. So these is the parts of step 2. Alright, so those going to the sides like that. Then on that other one. Alright, so we're gonna move on to this next part. Next part, these is the nail legs. Take the rubber mallet and then go on the side. Alright, so we just pushed them in, lined them up like that, and hit them with the rubber mallet. We're gonna do that on all 4. We're on to the next step. So we're gonna take these and screw them in the bottom of this. Step 3, it's these shorter ones, not them long ones I just did. So I'm gonna take those out and put the short ones in. Alright, so we got the short ones in. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. Alright, we on the next step. Alright, so for step 5 is that, which you'll be using these. Which will be something like this. You put this in, and you tighten this up. Alright, so that locks down into that like that. We got the other side in, now we're doing this side. So like, goes in like that. Then you take the flathead. And that's tight. So that was this step. Now we're moving on to 6, which is gonna put the screws all into this stuff. Alright, so this is the next part right here. We're putting the screws in. We got the 2, what is it, C drilled in, all 4 screws to that. So now we got them, we're moving on to the next step 7. Gonna be screwing some more screws in. We're gonna lay this on its back. Alright, so we're taking board F, center it in there, match it up to the floor part. Yeah, so once these holes get lined up like that, then you're gonna screw these in with this end going up. We got all those screws in. Now we're gonna move on to the next one. Just line it up with these holes and put those 6 screws in. All right, we got these 2 back pieces on. What I noticed, I got a little bulge right there. That's from that metal screw. That screw, so definitely don't go too tight with those. I'm gonna try to loosen it, but I don't expect it to be too much, because you know it's kind of cheap. This whole thing was like maybe 45, 50 bucks. So just a little quick computer desk. last step, which is 8. So we're gonna screw these black poles into this. Make sure you screw these in straight. Okay, so we drop that on top. And you gotta tighten this up. Remember, don't go too hard on those because it'll poke through. Pretty much just hand tighten. And the last thing which we just did was that we have to put these at the bottom. It's like a washer, and then these. This and those go at the bottom. Alright, so it goes on the bottom. I got this desk. In the other video I did a review on these speakers. So this desk was wide enough to fit that, or you could bring the laptop down, but we're gonna hook the laptop up to a TV with the HDMI. And got other shelves for other stuff, for extra, whatever other components you need to go with this. But it's a good startup set.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit.